Hello everyone, myself Jayant Yadav. I am fourth year student of General Medicine faculty from Asian Medical Institute. Today I want to show you my video dedicated to World AIDS Day. What is AIDS? AIDS is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, which is life-threatening condition caused by human immunodeficiency virus. HIV can be transmitted through various modes like sexual contact with infected person. It can also transmitted through blood transfusion. If someone has infection of HIV and transmit transfusion of blood of infected person to normal person, it can lead to infection of HIV. It also transmitted from mother to child, and a person who is in occupational exposure are also at the risk of develop HIV infection. Like doctors are also at higher risk who can develop the HIV infection by the pricking of needles and syringe. Sharing of needles with infected persons like drug abuse can also get the infection of HIV. HIV symptoms are divided into two stages: early onset stage and late onset stage. In early stages, we see the following symptoms like fever, malaise, body pain, and lymphadenopathy, means swelling of enlargement of lymph node, and someone has pain of body pain. Early stages, a person can also see he or she is developing weight loss symptoms also, and body rashes and diarrhea, vomiting can also seen in early of HIV infection. Later stage symptoms of HIV included chronic diarrhea, severe weight loss, pneumonia can also seen in this patient also, and persistent fever is a chief complaint of this patient can also be seen. Mainly developed tuberculosis in the later stage also. Kaposi sarcoma, which is most common sarcoma seen in the HIV patients also. Toxoplasmosis infection also seen in this. Oral thrush is a very common, which is caused by fungus candidiasis infection also seen in these patients. These patients are prone to develop many immunosuppressant disease also. Diagnosis of AIDS can be done by combination of various tests like clinical evaluation and laboratory tests. In clinical evaluation, we will firstly take the proper history of patient, and second we will do some examinations also. In laboratory tests include rapid antigen test, which give the result in 15 to 30 minutes. After that, we can do for confirmation, we will do Western blot also. We can also do ELISA test, which stand for enzyme linked immunosorbent assay. We also do CD4 count numbers also. For HIV treatment, various combination of drugs are available, like TLD is most popular combination, which include tenofovir, lamivudine, and dolutegravir. This combination of three drugs help in slow down the replication of HIV virus, and these also help in progression of disease. It slow down the progression of HIV disease. You have a nice day.